Hey everyone, okay, so right now I'm just shooting like this is just gonna be a small little video, like at least a 1 or 2 minute video to show you guys. This is my bird. He is going to be in one of my videos, but he's gonna be a little bit loud because he's gonna be very comfortable, and when he's comfortable he's going to scream. So yeah, that's my bird. We're just doing the usual, which is really boring. Oh my god. Okay, that scared me. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it's raining right now, and it just thundered like really loud, and that like scared me. So yeah, I guess I don't know what to call this video. This video might be like called, yeah, I don't know. I'll think of it. So we have, I would have to think of it fast because this is going to be tough to say. Okay, so you're not doing anything interesting. Can you do something interesting? Hmm? No? Okay. Okay, so now you know how boring my bird is. But in the mornings he screams, which wakes me up very early, so he's not all that boring. So yeah, I am going to probably stop the video right now. So thanks for watching this smaller video. I hope you like my birdie. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.